I gave you my heart.
What up, bassheads? Well, I had planned on doing a bunch of stuff, but it has been bad weather the whole freaking week. It went from like 73 about a week ago, almost now, till Thursday, snow. Post a couple little pictures up here in the corner. It was crazy. We fought it all night. I stayed up till 11:30 out there fighting the snow, shoveling with my boss and them. They stayed up till 4:30, which was crazy, making sure business could be open and stuff. But now it's been they went from that to ice to rain, and then the rain melted all the snow, and now it's just been non-stop raining all day. So with that being said, I haven't been able to do much, so we're gonna do what we can do. Post a little demo. I'll talk to you in a second. Stay tuned. Yeah, the weather just ain't cooperating with me, man. I'll turn around real quick. I'm at the store now. You can see how nasty it is. Watch the semi go by, all that water coming up. It just started to stop raining now. It's been raining all day. You see what time it is, 4:22. Sun goes down almost 6, I think, now. So, and I'm at the gas station here by my house. I can't really do much demo wise. I said I'll just post what I can. I got some old mecha videos that maybe you guys haven't seen. I got to get them off my computer. It's a lot on there, so it's a little bit to go through. I put up the little video of Shorty's digital design system, and that thing was knocking for the for what he had. I like them ports he had on the back too. The thing sounded good, man. And on TikTok, that's one of my most watched videos. So check me out on TikTok. Follow me on TikTok at BassJunkie2020, all lowercase. Also follow me on Facebook and join our Facebook group. That's BassJunkie2020. So stay tuned and subscribe to the BassJunkie2020 YouTube channel if you haven't already. And I appreciate each and every one of you guys that support the channel. It's going to be a hell of a year as soon as we get past this winter storm, this winter weather, which might not be till like March. That's one thing that sucks about living up north. When I lived in Florida, it was like sunshine all the time, because I'm from like South Florida down by Palm Beach, you know what I mean? So, but it is what it is. We make the best of it up here. I've been up here for almost 7 years, I think now, since 2016 or 17, something like that. Also, I'm thinking about switching subs. I don't know if I'll stay with the X's. So tell me in the comments what's your favorite sub. I'm thinking maybe some FI Deltas, or maybe some Resilient Sound Platinums. If I can afford the teams, I'll get them. Or maybe I'll just get some Sundown Xv2s, I think they got now. If I can afford that. I mean, it'd take me some money saving up, and maybe some more views on these videos, as long as y'all hit that like button. But yeah, man, I'm just, you know me, since the beginning, I've always changed stuff. I ain't dedicated to nobody, you know what I mean? Yeah, I got a lot of Sundown stuff now because I really like Sundown. But that being said, I'll try anything, you know what I mean? So I want to keep the Sundown amps for a while. I like those. It took me a little bit to get both of them, but I'm thinking about running some different subs other than Sundown, or maybe better Sundown. So post in the comments what subs would you like Bass Junkie 2020 to get. Let me know, dog. And check this out.
Rubbing on my tummy, gripping on my DJ Slow and Throw.